Steeler XLM holder, this is very urgent update and absolutely very urgent because all holders starting very big mistake, doing very big mistake, my brother. So I just clearly told you, my brother, to be safe from the loss, my brothers. Don't do this mistake, and absolutely if you're doing this mistake, you are completely in the loss. Otherwise, if you can see, my brother, the result chart is on the screen. You can see here last 1 hour chart is negative, last 1 day chart is negative, and absolutely the last 7 days chart is negative. So it's mean to this coin is completely and the lost in the current time, my brother. You know why they fails down, and how we can get a profit, how the change occur will be further to, my brother. So let's see everything I will tell you in this video. But before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my brother, this time the last 2 hour chart is on the screen, and you can see here just only at 2 hour, my friend, minus 0.29% they face down. I think this is very short phase because you know Steeler is one of the stable coin in the crypto market. So absolutely when they fails down, they take a very short phase. They cannot fails down very fastly. So I think, my brother, you need to don't see this short fails, my brother, because you know to this is short fails. Absolutely after a short fails, every cryptocurrency does take a very huge jump. But if you can see, my brother, this time they fails down, but you know every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. But definitely this is short, this is fails down because in the last month, my friends, they achieved a very positive. So last 7 day chart is on the screen, my brother. You can see here especially May 28 and May 29. You can see here they fails down very fastly. All crypto market is fails down, and this time, my brother, you can see here. But definitely, my friend, at this time every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket because this is the end of month, and every cryptocurrency is the end of month moving up like a rocket. But definitely it's a good news. So after this short fails, they take a jump, and absolutely at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving fails down. So I think this is absolutely a change occur will be further. So it's mean to May, June 1 and June 2, you can see here, and June 3 also, my friends. I hope they moving upward now. So it's mean to upcoming time there's more chances to them moving upward because after a very long fails, my friends, they will take a very huge jump. So you need to hold. Don't do this mistake. Don't sell it. Absolutely you are lost if you starting selling in this current time. So don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now.